It looks so good. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm cooking clay pot Lo Shu Fun. This is my daughter's favorite dish. This portion is for 4 serving. So I have 1 packet of Lo Shu Fun with 450 grams, 200 grams of minced pork, 2 large chicken egg, 1 cup of water, 3 cup of bean sprout, half of the red onion cut into small pieces, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 stalks of spring onion cut into 1/2 inch length, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 2 tablespoons of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. All the ingredients are ready. Now we can go and cook it. So this is a clay pot. It has been preheated. It's really very hot, so I'm going to put in about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. When the clay pot is really hot, once you put in the oil, it immediately can get heated very fast. So I'm putting in the red onions. We want to cook the red onion until it becomes soft. After 30 seconds, the onion became soft and it released a very nice aroma. Putting in the minced pork. Put all of the light soy sauce, a bit of pepper, half of the sesame seed oil. Give it a mix. Add in 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix to allow the seasoning and the pork to combine, so it will be very tasty. Cover the lid and let it simmer in the clay pot for about 2 minutes. While waiting for the chicken to cook, we are going to open up the Lo Shu Fun and crack the eggs. The Lo Shu Fun is in the packet is like clumped together, right? We just need to open it up and separate it a bit. Okay, and I'm going to put it aside. For the egg, right, we're going to crack it and put it in separate bowl. Okay, and then put it aside as well. It's 2 minutes and the chicken is cooked. Let's open it up and check. Oh, chicken is nice and cooked. And I'm just going to take it out about 2 spoons just for topping. Right, put it aside. Now we're going to add in the water, 1 cup of water. Add in all the balance of the seasoning, sesame seed oil, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, put in half of the crispy fried garlic, give it a mix, put in Lo Shu Fun, give it a mix. Cover the pot and let it cook in the clay pot for about 7 minutes. Alright, it's 7 minutes. Look at that. Now the Lo Shu Fun is nicely cooked. Looks so good. Now we're going to put in the bean sprout. Spring onions, Just leave a little bit for garnishing. Bean sprout don't take too long to cook. We just give it a stir and mix it. Now I'm going to give it a taste. Wow, very delicious. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this, it's really delicious. So I'm going to switch off the heat. You're going to sprinkle the crispy fried garlic. Just mix a bit for the nice fragrance. Put all the meat that we keep just for garnishing. Put the egg. Oh yes, nice egg. And sprinkle the spring onion and cover the lid. Even though after we switch off the heat, but the clay pot is still retain the heat in there. There's a lot of heat in there, so it will be able to cook the bean sprout and also the egg. Alright, cover the lid and wait for about 1 or 2 minutes, then can serve. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. Look at the egg. Because the clay pot is retained so much heat, although we have already removed it from the heat, it's still cooking. This is a perfect way to eat Lo Shu Fun because while you're eating, the food is still hot. And look at the egg. Outside is cooked and inside is still runny. Oh yes. We still have some pepper. Perfect. Clay pot Lo Shu Fun. You can eat together with the cut chili with light soy sauce, or I have the special chili garlic oil. It's really delicious. So I'm going to take Lo Shu Fun, bit of meat. Gonna take this egg, the whole piece of the egg. Oh yes, look at that. The egg is still runny. Oh my. Please be careful, this is really very hot. Wow, so delicious. Soft noodles are perfectly cooked, smooth from the optimal ratio of sauce to the noodles, chewy with bites of pork in each mouthful, very savory, perfect combinations of sweet, salty from the sauce, with a hint of pepper. The delightful addition of pork and runny egg enhance the taste, make it even better. You can have it plain or with a nice kick of chili garlic oil as condiment. So good. If you have tried the recipe, please share with us in the comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Excuse me while I finish my plate later. Thank you and bye bye.